Puducherry's embrace, history whispers through quaint streets, blending French elegance with Indian vibrancy as waves of culture dance along the shoreline of harmony. Welcome explorers to the captivating tapestry of Puducherry. Join us as we wander through the town's cultural mosaic before delving into the enchanting allure of Paradise Beach. Puducherry, where nature's bounty kisses the shores of a town steeped in legacies of French, Dutch, and Portuguese settlers. Here, warm smiles and open hearts welcome you to discover this rich tapestry. Paradise Beach, also known as Plage Paradiso, is one of the cleanest beaches in India. It gives you a feeling of being in Maldives and offers the visitors a serene and picturesque setting to relax and enjoy the beauty of the Bay of Bengal. As guests in the oasis, let's pledge to cherish Puducherry's natural wonders through sustainable practices and mindful stewardship. We preserve its beauty for the generations to come. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us to Puducherry and Paradise Beach. Let's remember to tread lightly, leaving only footprints of admiration and care. Until our paths cross again, stay curious and we pray. Let nature guide your wanderings.